Hi, this is Miss Fields. I'm here to show you how to access apps I've installed for you in Edmodo. Once you've logged in and you're in the main group, the Yuma Online Academy, here I am, you can tell that I've been playing with one of the apps I've just installed. It's the 50 States using a character named Flat Stanley. I'm going to go up here to the right hand corner to the little apps launcher, and you can recognize that when you hover over the top one it looks like little 4 boxes together and it says apps launcher, so you click on that and you can see the different apps that I have here. These are all free related apps, but the only one I really want you to focus on right now is the 50 states and capitals. We're going to be using this to help us memorize the states and capitals and geography related things. So it opens up and it won't look like this necessarily for you. It'll start you out in the west because I've already done it. You would go ahead and select what you want to do. And I was on the Northern Rockies there before, and it tells me send me to Montana, and I believe Montana is right there. Montana is actually right there, and I'll swing in there, and then it has you type it. And then now it's saying South Dakota. South Dakota is right there. And now I have to type it. Now it doesn't have you type a space when you're typing 2 words, which is interesting, but just get you used to it. Idaho is right there. I-D-A-H-O. And let me just finish up with Wyoming right there. And, well, not quite. Let's do Nebraska, which is right there. N-E-B-R-A-S-K. There we go. And then lastly is going to be North Dakota, because it's right on top of South Dakota. What's really cool about this is it does it in sections, so you don't feel so overwhelmed, well, I gotta memorize all of these. It does it in different regions where you have to just do a few at a time. So now what I could do here is I could share my results, or I could go to the next. Sharing your results will just populate it like you saw when I first started the video. I'm going to go ahead and go to next. Now it's going to give me the Southern Rockies, which is going to be right here. And this is, of course, Arizona. We have Utah, and we have New Mexico. And do you know what this one is? That is Colorado. Okay, but we're going to send Flat Stanley right now to Arizona. There we go. There we go. And next, New Mexico. And next is Colorado. Love Colorado. And then lastly is going to be Utah. There we go. And then again, it's just those 4 states. You learn those 4 states together, where they are, and then you go to the next one. Oh, North Central. Okay, check it out. There we go. You can see there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you have to try to find Minnesota. But let's go ahead and stop here for a second, and I'm going to go back to the main menu. And you can see what I've finished and what I have yet to be able to unlock to do. Now, in order to exit this, I would simply click the X over here on the right-hand top of the screen, and I'm back. And you can see here's where I shared my results, or that I finished the game. Now I'm going to open up the apps launcher again, and I'm going to show you another app that's free, and it's very cool. It's called No Red Ink, and that's for language arts. What you're going to do is you're going to click on that and it opens up. And what I want you to do is fill this out. I'm signed in as Rudy, so I'm going to go ahead and put that Rudy is a boy, and then Rudy is going to be in 5th grade, and I'll click Done. And then what it does is it asks me to a few questions. So I have to pick things that are interesting to me. So I need to pick things that I happen to like. Let's see, I like the Hunger Games, and it'll tell me add more interest, and it won't even let me continue until I've added enough so that it has information for me to, enough information on me. So I'm going to go, let's see, Rudy probably likes Jesse, and then I have to add another one. We'll go with Star Wars. And what? We need one more. Let's see. I'll go with Friends. Now, oh, see, look, it has me still find more. So I will go with Disney characters. I like the villains, but I actually like Incredible Hulk too. So we'll go ahead and continue with that now that it gave me the green light that they had enough information. On me, I could update my interest if I wanted to add more, but for now, that's what it has on me. And then it tells me that you have no active quizzes or assignments and shows me my past work. But since I just started this, there's not going to be anything there. But once I start, you'll see that there is information there. So I'm going to go ahead and click on Rules, and it will say choose a category. And we'll go use a or an correctly. And then it says practice this. It gives me the information. I read through it. An article is a short adjective that introduces a noun. The article a comes before the words that begin with a consonant. So Jeff rode a horse to school. So notice here's the article, there's the noun. Richard caught a fish. Michael ate a banana. Okay, and notice that every word that follows the article A, begins with a consonant. So we have H, F, and B. And then now using articles, and here it is, the example for an. Article an comes before words that begin with a vowel sound. Now, not just a vowel, but the vowel sound. Okay, so we have Eli spoke to an umpire. Umpire has the vowel sound as well as U is a vowel. Dylan adopted an ostrich, and Sam ate an apple. Okay, and then it gives me using articles. I read all the way through all of this. Once I'm done looking through all that, I can click practice this, and it says the next questions ask you to change the passage until it's correct. Fix errors in sentences takes SKILLZ. Okay, so I need to fix it. There, is it fixed? Great, continue, submit answer. Some sentences like this one are already correct. Okay, are you ready? See, so it gave me a little practice first on how to do it, and then it asks me if I'm ready. I click yeah, let's go, and now I'm ready to go. You can replay the tutorial and questions at any time. Got it. Let's see, how do I use this interface? I could click this. Now here I have President Snow took a picture of the interesting statue. A picture or an picture? Now we have to look at the word next to it, the noun after the article. Does it have a vowel sound or a consonant sound? It has a consonant sound, so I'm going to go ahead and say that one's okay. Submit answer. Correct, and it tells me immediately that I'm right. So now I go on to the next one and do the same thing. I would maybe fix it. how do I fix this one? Because I know Phoebe Buffet has become as strong as a ox or an ox. Okay, it would be an ox. So I click on the little gray dot to change it, and then I submit my answer. Does that make sense? Let's say I'm all done and I want to go ahead and get out of this. I go up here to the X and I click it away. If you have assignments, it will tell you that you have assignments. Again, it will show you right in this area. You have no past assignments right now. When you do get assignments, this would be the place to look, here where it says home. I could click practice if I just want to practice. I have some extra time. It will tell you as you go what you could do. Here we have general contractions, practice or quiz me. You're going to want to practice. And again, I'm ready to go. And I want to fix it. So I click it. Would be apostrophe. I'm worried. There we go. And then here's can't. And then I click submit answer. You get the idea. It's pretty easy, right? So I'm going to go ahead and go back home. And that's it.